Before I go into the other video of an issue I was having, just as an addendum to my last video of the homing slash limit switches, here's really the beauty of having them. There seems to be, I don't know, some leeway among enthusiasts about it. Some say that just having a switch on one side, on your homing side, your home switches is enough, and then rely on soft limits. Um, I personally, my humble opinion, I believe that switches should be on both sides. One is homing and one is limit. Just in case, I have had circumstances before I had the switches on and inadvertently mashed my head against the other side because I didn't have my soft limits on. Thought I did, but I didn't. And depending on how quickly your axis move, it'll slam into the side, and depending on how strong it is and what material you've used to make your CNC machine, if it's out of MDF or plywood, you could easily just break off the side of your gantry with the force of a stepper motor. They are incredibly strong. So for me, definitely on the minus, the plus, and back here. And as far as the setup's concerned, it makes things so much easier. I want to know where home is, and I don't have to worry about it, because I could shut off my soft limits and say, you know what, I don't know where home is. You tell me. And when it does it, if you listen closely, you'll hear as it bounces off the home switches, you can hear them click as it bounces off. So, and that's my home. I go to machine coordinates. Uh, they're zeroed out, and I'm ready to rock. Yeah, I just wanted to share that. And the next part of the video will be concerning an issue I had with in my design. Gantries in front, ball screw assemblies in the back, and this is a bracket, this black one that ties it in. Although it's made of 16 gauge steel, it's stout, it's not mild by any means, but it had flex when I pushed on it, and the following video is what I did to alleviate that and make it and stiffen it up so it's rock solid. Seem to have come up with a design weakness. It's not a design flaw. I have feelings too. That this assembly that drives connects to the ball screw assembly in back and drives the gantry, actually can flex. As stout as it is, if it really pushes, it'll flex just slightly in this direction. So what I'm going to do is take some steel on the back and try to come up with some kind of support that'll box it in and keep it super rigid. I want to see what I can come up with. So, and the result is this. The support. You see the penetration on the other side. That should stiffen it up on every direction. It's kind of like the inside of a hood of a car. The supports you'll find down there only stiffer. That should keep it in check.